said politics, and you expressed your continued disgust with mainstream politics.
Oh,
you are in the United States.
You have to vote, I'll tell you now.
Yeah, but you're in the United States. Okay, now you're an American
now
citizen.
I'm an American
you
citizen.
can vote. What do you make of what really is, in the early days, a circus of a campaign?
Oh, yeah, well, there's a man there who's basically a real estate agent thinking he could buy the presidency.
Wait a minute, who are you talking about? Donald Trump?
Must I mention him? And then there's Hillary, and then there's all this nonsense going on about like the email stuff. And I don't know if that's half stirmongering or she really is that clumsy. I joined America because of Obamacare, all right? That was my final...
Not Obama, but Obamacare.
Obamacare, yeah.
How interesting.
Yeah, because that reminded me, and it's what saved my life, the National Health Service. It also saved my brother a couple of years ago from cancer, an imminent death, but for the service being there. I can't bear the thought of any society letting people die just because they don't have the money. And any society I connect with has to care about its citizens.